What is poppin', Dope Nation? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxXPANA, and today I'm sharing with you guys these super cute, colorful kids lemonade braids. And guys, I purchased this 3-tone ombre hair off of Amazon, and it's purple to magenta to light pink, and the color is just so poppin'. And it was perfect because she was Barbie for Halloween, and so this hair color totally matched her whole color scheme, and it was just so on point. But guys, I just really have like a love-hate relationship with this hair. Like I said, I purchased it off of Amazon.com because I needed it really quickly, and of course I have Prime, so I was like, free shipping, okay, 2 days, okay. So I purchased it off of Amazon, and it is so soft that it is super spongy, and it does make it really hard to grip. And it also like doesn't grip onto their natural hair as well, so the braids don't last as long, and that's just a super bummer, just because when you look at it, it's just so vibrant and so pretty. Like, how could you not want this in your hair? But yeah, especially like with box braids, it's really hard to get it really tight at the root, and so that was kind of aggravating. And I've noticed that with a lot of like colored braiding hairs that I have been using. I used the teal color in the video where my boyfriend did the voiceovers, and it was the same thing as well. Other than that, I mean, the hair dips really well. That would probably be like my only complaint. I can't even speak. Complaint. But oh my god, guys, look at this color. It's just so poppin'. It's so vibrant. I absolutely love it. I've been trying to do more color in my videos because I know you guys really like to see that. So yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you love it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time.
I don't wanna lose your love, no, no. I don't wanna lose your love, your love. All I ask of you is love me forever and always. I don't wanna lose your love. I don't wanna lose your love, your love. All I need is someone like you. You're special. Oh, I know you're everything and more. That's right. I notice all things about you. You love to laugh your life away, love to dance your nights away. Wanna catch my vibe, yeah. Wanna give you my mind, yeah. And I see the silver lining in everything that we find. Everything shows in time and so designed. I know the small things about you, and I know that you